Hi YouTube, this is Shivam from Programming Hunter. In my previous tutorial, we will talk about the RESTful response with Spring Boot. Now, Spring Boot with Mongo database. So firstly, we have download the dependency. So there is already Spring data. So just download Maven dependency. And for Maven dependency, just click here. Just copy it and going to the demo. Here is the dependency part, sorry. So just save it. If after that just we create that demo, just open the application property file, right, spring.data.mongodb dot the path of Mongo. So just MongoDB //local host and the port is 27017. That's a default port of Mongo. And now spring.data.mongo.database, that's a database name that we write test. So our configuration part is done, and also with configuration we just add the part of enable Mongo. There is enable Mongo. Enable Mongo. So here we write the base packages. So just base packages we write com.example. And also we need all the we create a controller and services in different packages. So we want to create all the controller and service scan by our Spring Boot application and create instance store into IOC container. So we need also the component scan. So for component scan there is also a base package. So just same here. So just copy it and paste. Sorry. Copy it and paste. So our configuration part already done, so we close it each and everything. So now we done that. Now we have some create a controller. For just create controller package. Sorry, controller already created, but now we differentiate. This is the controller part, so just move controller here. So this is the learning tutorial. So I am request and response bean and also database entity, both are same here. So just I create a package that name is model and act as for both. So just save it. In this we will just create @ annotation. If it is, just create it @ document. Now let's create a document on that. So collection name is just that dummy, for dummy. So now it's work. So I have a model, I have a controller. So now I need a package that's services. So for services, and I need package for DAO. So also, so that's So for services, we just create a interface where test services and also create class that implemented services. So test service IMBM at test. So that's we had and finish it. So now we have service and we have also DAO. Now we create a DAO. The test DAO at Mongo repo. Sorry. Okay. Just add dummy repo and for ID we just define distant type. So there are also our DAO. So now DAO part is done, dummy registration is done. Now service part we just register this services in our IRC. So that's also done. So now these all part is done and services. Now we back to the controller. So here we have the controller. Now there are test object, get object, just change the name, some fetch object and name fetch save. So there are save objects. So basically, so there are some service also. Here is also there are list because we have find all the dummy Java object. So dummy Java. Okay, now just is returning for service part. That's an error. So just create an instance whatever what private not instance, we call that instance already create when our Spring application load. So now we have some method for fetch object and get object. So here we just dummy fetch dummy fetch object. Okay, done. Object okay. So now that part is also done. So now we implement that method in our service. So that implementation is create and go to our private test DO. So there is DO dot find all and now remove this test DO dot C and see we have done. So now here now the controller part we create test service dot fetch object test dot save object. So that's our done this part, and now run our demo application. Now run code. It's giving error. So that's I was getting just oh it's just oh just so now it's work properly. So now just run this application. Now it's working fine. Oh, they're already used, so just check it. Oh, just use it. So just remove that again. Run this application. So now it is started. So firstly we have now going to the controller part. So just fetch the here the test after fetch. So just we create that there is empty record because there is no record in DB. Just check it. There is a test our database, there is no record. So now just save object. So when we save this object, now it's a 40. It's not a post time. So we have saved. So there is. So now the body is name and version. That's our dummy part. So here is the dummy. So that's a dummy. So that either we use a request and response bean and either also database entity. So firstly I already told this is a learning tutorial, so that's why I use same thing. So now that's a save part. Just click. Now it's saved. Now MongoDB, just check the Mongo. So just refresh it. Refresh it. Now database is here. So we just check. There are record is first is Java and version is 1. And now we also fetch the record. Fetch. Send it. Oh sorry. We just send. So we that fetch the record in other list. So now that's the end of this tutorial. So please like and subscribe. And this tutorial is so long, so sorry. And thanks guys.